We're driving around some excavators and forklifts and testing out some machines.
What's your favorite machine?
The excavator.
Yeah, excavator.
See if I want to drive excavators or machines around for the rest of my life.
An opportunity to come out to VIU and check out some machines. So I find what we were doing today was pretty fun.
Right.
We got to use a mini hoe, so a mini excavator, and we got to use a forklift. So the forklift, we just got to stack pallets and drive it around. And then the excavator, we were using the bucket and the clamp, picking up the ring, and then dropping a metal ball in cones, and then letting go and then doing the same thing back. So that's whatever.